everyone, welcome to another Crackle pour. I have this really small, I was going to say tray, but it's really like a large coaster. It's pretty small. I've mixed up 6 ounces of resin. I've divided it amongst these 4 cups, but this cup is like 2 cups of it. In my first cup, I'm going to use Eye Candy Satori White. I like to keep these things in them because they help the paste stay in the jar. All right, I just put a little on the end of my stick. Because if the jars tip over, sometimes the paste like seeps out of it. So now I make sure those stay in all my jars. All right, got that mixed up. The next one I'm going to use is this apricot yellow micro powder. Apricot yellow. Seemed like a really pretty color to me. Taking a big chunk of it on the end of my stick. Gonna mix it in really good to make sure I don't get any chalky pieces in my finished product. All right, next I have golden green. I thought with the apricot yellow, the golden green might look cool. And same amount again. Just a big scoopful on my stick. All right, and last in my cup, I am going to put Octopus Fluids Resin Ink Evergreen, and I'm just going to do 4 drops. All right, I'm going to put some in this mold, just a layer down at the bottom. Just going to give it a little shove around to make sure it's going all the way to the edge. Then I'm going to let it calm down for a second. I'm going to be doing my apricot yellow next after everything fills in on that mold. Might as well give it another stir. The resin, oh, I forgot to tell you, the resin is thick. I'm using craft resin, tabletop resin. It is a higher viscosity resin, and I let it warm up to 31 degrees Celsius or 88 degrees Fahrenheit, just to let it thicken just a bit more. I think I'm going to stand up for this part so I can see in the middle. I'm going to take my white. Then my transparent. And my green. And then some white. And then more transparent. Then our apricot. And I'm going to just dump the rest of the apricot in here. Then a bit of transparent. Then the rest of the white. Need a tiny dribble of our transparent again. And then the rest of our green. Hopefully I can fit all this in the mold. We're pretty full, but I can probably put our little dribble in the center. All right. Now I pulled out these bits or the clear bits. That's a tough one. I think I'm going to do the green. Going to give them a little shove down. All right, and that's it. We'll be back to unmold it. All right, we are back. That side looks really cool. We're gonna see now what the white did. I think it might have been too heavy because when you look at it here, it looks sort of like a fairy flower, doesn't it? All right. Oh, I just love the colors though. Look at that. All right. Oh, no. It looks very pretty. It's very cool. It's not the heavy white I was thinking. I was getting worried. It's gorgeous. So pretty. I love these colors. I think I might just start doing everything like a apricot green, coral green. So pretty.